The Battle of Peleliu finally came to an end in November 1944, 3 bitter months after it was supposed to. When we shipped out for Okinawa, the airfield became a vital asset in the campaign. Among those stationed there are the crews of the U.S. Navy Black Cats, men who would risk everything before they would leave any of us in enemy waters.
Boats coming over them now!
Yeah, I see them. Landry, open up comms! Major Gordon, vessels are now in visual range. Unmarked Japanese merchant fleet. Designation unknown.
They're probably resupplying the enemy on Okinawa.
Legitimate targets?
Affirmative, they're part of the enemy war machine. Permission to engage, over and out.
Roger that. Laughlin, Locke, get to your station. Stop picking targets. Open fire! Keep it up! Whoa! See that shit blow? Get on the rear gun! Good job, Locke! Take an empty fire! Run on 6! He's okay. What the fuck are working, ship? With that much firepower! That must be some pretty important cargo that's carrying. We need to get below the flag! I can't line up a decent shot! I hear you! We got empty fire all around! Take out those fucking PT boats! They're our biggest threat right now!
This is getting too risky. Should we abort?
Negative! We can do this! We have a whole breach right above me! Keep on them! Shoot out those damn spotlights! That's a hit! Japanese PT boats! 9 o'clock! Get on the left time! This is our last pass! yeah. They're going down.
Good work, Locke. You saved a lot of lives on Okinawa. They're done here. Get some altitude. Heading back to base.
Echo that. We got pretty roughed up on that last run, Booth.
Confirmed, Hammerhead. You got smoke coming from your number 2 engine.
Gauges ain't hitting red. We should be able to hold her. As long as we don't run into any more trouble with the enemy.
Oh, hell. Captain, distress call coming in. The fleet's been hit en route to Okinawa. Air support's too far out. At least one infantry transport ship has already gone down.
Okay. Locke, seal the ventral hatch. We'll be putting down on the ocean. Let's go get our men. Okay, people. The fleet still needs our help. Anyone want to back out? Didn't think so. Going into a hot zone. I want everyone sharp and ready for anything. Bastards wiped out most of our ships.
Holy shit! You think anyone's gonna be alive down there?
Well, I see multiple casualties in the water.
Shit! Poor bastards.
We better not be the only ones responding to the distress call. We ain't got room for all of them.
Do what we can. Taking us down.
Kamikaze! 2 o'clock! High!
Sink those damn PT boats before they rip off into shreds!
Okay, taking us home.
Hallelujah!